It's time to buy tickets to the Berkley Education Foundation's annual fundraiser, Off to the Races. Join us on February 1st at Club Venetian in Madison Heights from 6 to 11 p.m. Off to the Races is a simulated horse racing event where the crowd watches old horse races and bets on them as though the races were live. Winners take home prizes and a chance to win a $2,500 vacation. It's a lot of fun. You won't want to miss it. Why should you come to Off to the Races? Because proceeds directly fund elementary enrichment programs like coding, drama, gardening, yoga, and robotics. It funds teacher mini-grants, such as a treehouse in the classroom, Shakespeare on the BHS stage, a coffee cart for student entrepreneurship, sand tables, and game days. It also funds the BHS Maxfield Science Symposium scholarships and the annual 8th grade college tours. Join the BEF and the Berkley schools on February 1st for a fun night out while raising funds for Berkley Difference Moments. Tickets are online, bidpal.net/OTTR2020.